How to draw an axolotl step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a circle shape in the center of the page. This will be the outline of our axolotl's head. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then be sure to subscribe. Nicely done. Now on the inside of that shape, let's go ahead and draw two small circles that are filled in completely black for the eyes. Now once we're all done with the eyes, let's go right below and in the center of the eyes to draw the mouth. We're going to make a simple curved line that is pointing upwards to make it appear as if our axolotl is smiling. Great! Now on the sides of our axolotl, you might have seen that there are these weird pointy things. These are actually called the external gills. Let's go ahead and draw them now, beginning on the left hand side. So the external gills that we're currently drawing will be colored in a darker pink color, whereas the body will be colored in a lighter pink color. Great! Now let's go ahead and draw the other three external gills on the right hand side of the face. Let's keep in mind that we're going to want them to be relative in size. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the head. Next, let's go ahead and draw the lower body, beginning by drawing a slanted line right below the head. Now attached to the head and the line that we just drew, we're going to draw the first arm and hand of our axolotl. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. That way, you'll never be too far behind. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to reach other YouTube artists just like yourself. Next, let's go ahead and draw the second arm and hand on the right hand side. Oh, so far this is coming along very well. Now all we have left to do is to draw the legs. Let's go ahead and draw the first leg on the left hand side on the bottom. Great, now we're almost done. For the last step, I think I'm just going to go ahead and make my left eye a little bit more bold. Then I'll go ahead and color in my drawing. Next, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you have to pause the video and match your colors. This is how to draw an axolotl. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I hope your drawing came out great. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.